Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss mirror command in Revit. So see the use of mirror command. So first of all here I'm just drawing any object. Any object you can place it. Suppose if you want to draw the wall, I am creating one wall just for your understanding purpose. Suppose okay, so here I have created one wall. Okay, like this. Now in this wall I want to place the window. Select the window from here, place it anywhere. Here I have placed. Okay, same way I want to place the door also. Okay, you can select the door what you want, just place it. Clear? Same thing here also. I want to place the window, so I have placed the window here. Now see, now this window I want to mirror in this side also. Okay, so you can use the mirror command. So in modify tab, here in modify panel you will get the mirror command. So two option is given here: mirror pick axis, mirror draw axis. Okay, so first I want to show you the mirror pick axis. Okay, select this mirror pick axis command from here. Okay, now when you select the command, what you can do, first don't need to select the command, first select the object which you want to mirror. So suppose I want to mirror this window, so I have selected this window here like this. Now I am using from modify tab, modify panel, I am using the mirror pick axis command. Shortcut is also there, double M, you can use the shortcut also. Okay, hit on that. Now here you have to pick the axis now. So for axis, suppose I am selecting the center of this door, so just select the axis. Now see the object is mirror, see the window is mirror now. Okay, so in this way also you can use the mirror command. Okay, same. Now this two window I want to mirror in this opposite direction. Okay, in this wall. So what I am doing, first I am selecting this window from the drawing. Now see the option is given mirror pick axis, hit on that pick axis and then mirror it. So here you have to select the axis. So I'm selecting the center, this axis, because I want to mirror this two window here. Okay, so I'm selecting this axis, but see the problem, cannot place insert outside of host, this element was not be copied. Again the problem. So it means what, here first of all you have to draw the axis for your reference. So see, from annotate pan tab, here I am using detail line. Okay, so from the center of this wall I am drawing one line like this. Getting? Now I am selecting the window with the help of control key, both window, and then I am using same mirror pick axis, hit on that. Now you have to select the axis, select this axis. Now see the object or the window is mirror now. Okay, so see when I'm selecting the window, this window is also there in the drawing and the window is mirror copy also. If you don't want to copy the object, this window, you want to mirror this too and you don't want to copy this one. Okay, so then also you have to select. Here you can see when you select the mirror pick axis, in option bar copy option is given, it is checked. That is why what happening when you using the mirror command, so this object both window copying. If you don't want to copy this window, only you want here, uncheck this and select the axis. Now see this two window you will get here, the window is not copy because we have unchecked it. Okay, so in this way we have to use the mirror pick axis. Now delete this axis which you have drawn. Now again here if you want to use the second option, suppose I want to mirror this window. Okay, okay, so select this window which you want to mirror, and now I'm using the draw axis command, mirror draw axis. Now you have to draw the axis along which axis you want to mirror. So hit on this draw axis. Now draw the axis, but see I want to copy this window also, that is why here in option bar I have checked copy. Now from here in the from the center I am drawing one axis, through this axis I want to mirror this window. Now see the window is there. Same way I'm selecting this window and hit on this mirror draw axis. Now from here you have to draw the axis. So from the center of here I'm drawing the axis. Through this axis I want to mirror the window. Now see, the window is ready. Okay, you can see which we have placed here. So in this way we have to use the mirror command in Revit. I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.